2-minute tackle drills, brought to you by Barton Outfitters.
This is how I rig a spinnerbait. We have a Colorado blade, single blade spinnerbait. These can be purchased at Walmart for $1. One of the simplest to fish and most universally effective bass fishing techniques. You simply cast and reel. They're generally pretty weedless. You don't get caught up often, and a lot of times the fish will actually set the hook on themselves, so you don't even really have to set the hook. But all you do to rig it is take your line and run it through the center like so, and secure it to your line using a clinch knot. Take the line, wrap it around itself 5 or 6 times. Take your short end, stick it through the loop that creates at the bottom, which then creates another loop. Push your tag through there, pull it tight, trim your excess, and you're ready to fish.